Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video with you guys if you have a Hyundai vehicle. Practically any Hyundai vehicle. If you want to remove or replace front sway bar ring, guys, stay with us. We'll explain what you need to do. There is one trick that will make your life much easier, otherwise you have a hard time removing it. And something else, guys, if you don't replace them on time, that can lead to very dangerous situation, and we will explain why and make sure to stay until the end. That procedure should apply to multiple Hyundais, and it may be helpful on Hyundai Sonata Elantra, Tucson, Santa Fe, Hyundai Veloster Accent as well. So let's go ahead and explain what we need to do now. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for your Hyundai, guys, okay, we're going to share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can, guys. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can save you even more money and provide even more videos. Now, if you have a Hyundai, you want to check, guys, our second channel. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live. We're going to share so much helpful information about diagnostics, engine codes and things like that there as well, so definitely check it out. So let's explain how to remove and replace sway bar ring. What you need to do, guys, if you want everything to be super easy, you will need to jack up the front end of your Hyundai vehicle all the way up, guys, on both sides, okay, on the left, okay, and the right side as well. If you have both tires in the air, it will go much smoother, and we will explain why as we go. Always support your car. Make sure you use jack stands. If you want to see the lift that we're using here and how we have it lifted up, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Next, you need to remove your wheel. Pretty simple. Just remove the 5 lug bolts on most Hyundais and get it out. Some of them will have 4. And if you look at your suspension, guys, okay, you will have that device that's called sway bar ring, okay, right here. This is your sway bar ring, guys. It connects the sway bar, okay, to the strut of your Hyundai vehicle. Now, it connects the left and the right side. That's what the sway bar does. So it makes your car very stable when taking a turn, when going through curves. Without that sway bar, okay, you can easily lose control and crash, guys. That's why if you have a bad sway bar ring, always replace it on time. Now, another common thing, when they go bad, okay, they develop that front end noise and rattle that if you don't take care on time, okay, can happen. Something like breaking, popping loose, disconnecting the sway bar, and that's dangerous, guys. So when you have the front end of the car up on both sides, left and right side, you will not have tension on the sway bar. Otherwise you will have tremendous amount of tension that you will use a sway, you will use a pry bar to remove the sway bar, and you don't need to do that, guys. Okay, what we're going to do now, okay, we need to disconnect it. We have 2 nuts, one on top, one on the bottom. Now, on some models, okay, you may have on the front a Torx that you need to hold the stem of the bolt to prevent it from spinning. On other ones like ours, okay, you hold it on the back side if it's spinning. The wrench goes on the back side. In our case, okay, it will come loose and it will not even spin, but if you have a sway bar that's really with a huge play, it will come, that bolt will be spinning in the middle, and you will have to hold it with pliers or with wrench to actually remove it. Now, the same thing needs to happen on the bottom side. Let's explain that thing now, okay. You can see where it is, right there. Okay, we're getting it loose, and we'll show you where ours are wore out, okay, and what causes front end noise rattle due to bad sway bar link. Perfect. Now, having both wheels in the air, you see you have 0 tension on the sway bar. Otherwise, if only one side is lifted, the sway bar will have tremendous amount of pressure, which will result into, okay, you will have to bring the sway bar usually down. Okay, you will have to press it with a pry bar, which you can bend things and makes things pretty inconvenient. Also, we will always recommend to replace left and right side at the same time. So we will always recommend, guys, replace both. So jack up the front end of your Hyundai vehicle and make sure you support it nice. Now, check out this sway bar ring. The seal broke, water dust got inside, and dust causing quite a bit of trouble there, guys. So you get the idea, putting it together, everything in reverse order. We took it apart, make sure you get it tight. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.